Guys, it has been a while that I've been to the gym, so I don't even know where to start. Which machine to use first? I'm bringing sexy back. I'm just a girl. I take photos and videos in the gym instead of working out. For real. Let's do first a run session. We'll go for a run session. Okay, touch this. Meanwhile, with my outfit and my boots, I don't have anything else. So, run. Run. I'm not even kidding, but what the F is this? Touch the screen, okay. So. Oh, you can watch TV and shit? Okay, I just want to start. Ooh! That's slow, I want it faster. How do I do faster? Faster. Is this faster? Yeah, oh fuck shit. It is faster now. More faster, I want faster. I want to run for real. Oh shit. This is fast as fuck. Maybe like they see me rolling, they hating. Dun, 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 dun. Let's do outdoors. I want to be out of Dubai. Let's go San Francisco. Oh. I mean, let's go even faster. But what is this? I'm so cute working out. I need faster, honestly. Why is it feeling as if I'm walking a mountain now? I'm exhausted. Oh, I can do the speed. I want to run for real. Do I see how many calories I'm losing? The only thing I want to lose is my calories. You know? Oh, I'm already fit. I don't need to work out anymore. Okay, I need it faster. More speed, more speed. Wow, maybe that's it. I want to run. That's not running. If someone is watching me right now, that's just... Please don't watch me. Oh shit, my earring. Emergency stop. Emergency stop. I only lost 18 calories. What the fuck? Don't tell me system is down again here. Start. Speed, I want a lot of speed. Like a lot. Go. I want to be like a very, very crazy speed. I'm still running. I have to train. I have to train to run. This time, I have to train to run away from all my problems. Trying to run away from all the bro guys. Run away from all my problems. Run away from all bullshit. Run away from all the bullies. So this machine is gonna be working on my ass and my legs. I need a break. That machine is still rolling and running. But I'm chilling. I'm already on another machine. Keep your options always open. I have 60 kilograms that I have to push it, push it, push it, push it, push it. Now it's time to figure out which machine next. Now this machine works for the back leg curl, it's called. Whatever it is. Let's go. I have to adjust the chair because it was too far. Now it's okay. Now it's fine. A little bit, not really. I have to be like this. Maybe. Yeah. I cannot see how much kilograms this is, but let's go. Oh, it's heavy. Oh my god, I'm gonna become a gym girl. Can you believe that? I don't know what this machine is, but next we have the machine for abs. I need that. Now I'm on top of the low row, and it's a very good machine actually. Like, you just have to pull like this, you know? And I'm very good in pulling like this, so. And I'm doing it on 40 kilos, so that's great. This one, you see? Ooh. I'm actually so proud of myself that I chose to just go randomly to the gym at 1 a.m. But at least I'm doing something. I'm so proud of myself because this is my first time this year to go to the gym. Actually, like a very long time. So cool. It also has a stretch room and actually a dance room. You can just dance here. Ooh, I'm so fit already. Okay guys, so I'm standing on a scale, right? Look at that. I just went 30 minutes to the gym and I'm 0 kilos. You see? Listen to me. Do the same workout as me. Then you get 0 kilos. I swear it works. It works. Just this 30 minutes of gym made me skinnier. Ooh. So you see guys, I just went 30 minutes to the gym and I'm 0 kilos. I'm gonna do one more session of this leg thing. Actually 4 sessions. And then I will do some stretching.